The severe drought has cities scrambling right now at the last minute with additional fireworks restrictions.
Well, officials in Lehi just added several new areas today to the off-limits map. News specialist Lad Egan joins us from Lehi with the details. Lad?
The mayor calls this a rational compromise. They are adding restrictions, but they're also opening up 4 parks to fireworks this weekend, like here at Olympic Park, where firefighters will be on hand to make sure that nothing gets out of control.
I really encourage citizens to just go attend a professional shoot, skip this year, help us protect the city.
That's the message from Lehi's fire chief as he announced new areas where fireworks are banned.
If you're caught lighting a fireworks in the restricted area, you're going to be fined up to $1,000.
In addition to the normal restricted areas along Traverse Mountain and Dry Creek, the city has now prohibited fireworks south of Pioneer Crossing, west of the Jordan River, and along eastern city borders.
If you know about these restrictions and you have neighbors that are planning to do it and you live in those restricted areas, please pass the word. And if you're uncomfortable doing that, give us a call, and we're happy to go out and try to spread the word.
The impact that had on our community, and none of us want to go through that again.
This is what the mayor says he's trying to avoid. Last summer's Traverse fire started by illegal fireworks.
However, the drought this year is even worse than it was last year, so we're all very aware of the capacity of reliving that experience, and we don't want to do it.
If people want to light fireworks, they'll drive to a place where they can light fireworks.
Today, fire crews switched out maps at fireworks stands, including this one run by a group of current and former teachers.
I think compared to last year, we're a little slower, but not as much as I expected. People are still really excited about the holiday.
They are helping educate customers about the new restrictions and applaud the city for opening up some parks as an option for those who live in the red areas.
I mean, thank goodness that they've done that, because they're making it easy for people to comply.
Lehi police say they will be enforcing the restricted areas and issuing citations. We will put a map showing those new areas in red, also the 4 parks where fireworks are allowed, on our website, ksltv.com. Back to you.